Welcome to Patrick Parson Workshop. I'm Patrick.
I am Jimmy, and I have a gift for you, sir.
Oh, I didn't have anything for
Yes.
you, Jimmy.
Your friendship is more than enough. All right, let me go grab it.
Sure.
All right. Now, tell me if you've ever seen one of these.
Let's see, this is a flashlight?
Oh, no. This is what you call a general ToolSmart flashlight inspection camera.
So, what's it do?
Several things, Patrick. It will brighten the darkest of spaces with 600 lumens of LED light.
Right.
It's got high, medium, low, strobe, SOS. That's the flashlight part of it that you alluded to.
I see that.
And it pairs with your smartphone so you can view the HD video live feed from the integrated camera. And you can quickly save your pictures and video to the ToolSmart app on your phone with the touch of a button. Organize your photos and videos by project for easy recording. And it has a rechargeable battery. Simply plug in the included USB charging cable for quick charging. Basically, you can see and take pictures of areas where you couldn't really get to before. Good for plumbers, home inspection, mechanics, DIY folks.
That'll be handy.
Electricians, basically anyone who does things.
Thanks, Jimmy. This is going to be very handy. What do you say we do a review of it?
Way ahead of you. Hit it!
There's a round piece of plastic inside the flashlight that you want to make sure that you take out. It's in there, I believe, to make sure the flashlight doesn't turn on when it's in the package. And if you unscrew the top of the flashlight there, you'll see the hole where you can plug the charging cable in. And then you just plug the other end of it into the USB port on your computer. And you'll see a blinking green light. That means it's charging. You want to go ahead and charge the flashlight until the light is solid green. Next, go ahead and install the ToolSmart app on your smartphone. Now you want to pair the flashlight and your smartphone. You want to hold down the Wi-Fi button on your flashlight for about 3 seconds. Then go into the Wi-Fi settings on your phone and look for the Wi-Fi hotspot IP borescope and go ahead and connect to that. Now open the ToolSmart app. Open the menu in the upper left. Choose Toolbox and then scroll down and choose Flashlight Inspection Camera. Then click Connect and wait for just a second and you should see the picture pop up on the screen of your smartphone. And you're ready to go. And here are some test photos that I took. I took some with the flashlight off and then with the flashlight on high, medium, and low light so you can get a feel for what that looks like. And you can see that when you have the flashlight close to something, especially when it's on the higher light setting, it kind of washes it out and makes it pretty hard to see. I was a little bit disappointed in the video. You can store video on your phone in the app, and you can go back and look at the video in the app on your phone. But you can't share those videos with anyone. You can't save it to your phone. You can't get it to an email. You just have to view it on your phone, which is not real practical if you want to share it with a customer or send it to someone. The strobe and SOS settings on the flashlight are just kind of impractical. Don't think I would ever use those. Overall, I think this can be a useful tool. They need to make a few tweaks to the app. They need to make the videos shareable. They could make the app a little more versatile and user-friendly. If there were a way to allow the LED lights on the flashlight to dim instead of just offering the 3 settings, I think you might get better pictures and video that way. But I think it's at a good price point. For just over $60, I think you get a lot for your money here, and if this works for you, it might be something to look into. And I think I'll use this.
I will probably use it too.
So it's really for you.
Merry Christmas!